Avery,
All right,
don't
pour
get
it to
past my
60.
finger.
Don't go past her finger. Hold it, Avery.
I don't know.
Put your hand here.
Don't pass
Pour it until Ashlyn says stop. Go ahead. Don't be scared. Pour. If you spill, it's okay. Go slowly, though. Go slowly so you can see where to stop. Look at your sister. Look at your sister's finger. Look at your sister's finger. Stop. Good.
There, this one.
Now, we have to do the water. You ready?
Yeah.
We're doing 20 of water. So let's count by 10. 10, 20. So we're going to stop right here by what number is that?
80.
80. All right, who's going to pour? Ashlyn, are you pouring?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Don't go past me.
Oh, did we pass you a little?
Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay.
You can do
Now
one
look,
bigger.
where did the water go?
Down.
Down at the bottom. So what happens is the molecules in the water stick together. Everybody do your hands like this. And when everybody's hand gets together, put your hand on top of my hand, Ashlyn. It gets heavier, right?
That's Avery.
I'm sorry, Avery. It gets heavier when all of the molecules are close. Now everybody open your hands and move them away. Are they heavy or light?
Light.
Right. So what happens is the molecules in the oil are more separate. They're not together. But the molecules in the water are tightly knit together, so it gets heavy. So the water is less dense than the oil is less dense than the water. Now, we're gonna add,
Noodles.
no, a tablet, a color tablet.
Can we eat them?
No, we can't eat them. What did I tell you about science?
You can't eat them.
All right,
Unless they're pills.
drop it in. No, not unless they're pills, because some things are pills.
It looks like a mint.
Wait, let's
Yeah,
see.
okay.
Look at that one. Watch it. Watch,
like a
watch,
mint.
watch what happens.
Looks like
What's happening? Look at those air bubbles. What are they doing?
Floating up.
They're escaping, right? Are they mixing with the water?
No.
Are they mixing with the? Is it mixing with the water or is it mixing with the oil?
Mixing with the oil.
Look at it. Did the oil turn blue or did the water turn blue?
Water.
So which one did it mix with?
Water. Now this became
But look, when the air pockets separate, look where the oil is getting little bubbles at the top. Drop in the other fizzy tablet.
Can I do it?
Who dropped in the first one?
Avery.
Okay, drop in another fizzy tablet.
Look, blue bubbles. Making water turn green.
But look, they won't mix. Those bubbles will rise and fall. But since the water is going up into the oil, remember oil and water don't mix. Listen, oil and water don't mix, so the bubbles will fizz and fall back down. But this oil will never turn green and the water will never be released in the oil because oil is less dense than water. Can I have the top? It's almost like a lava lamp. If you put a light under it, it looks like a lava lamp. Let's see if I give it a little swirl.
it doesn't do anything.
No, makes it move a little faster. See? See, it's moving a little faster.
When you shaked it in the other pressure.
Yeah,
Something.
it made it move a little faster. Sometimes you have to give it a little whisk or a little shake so that the reaction can start. Since sometimes you use a long wooden stick, but in some of the reactions you don't get a long wooden stick because some of the sticks might melt or not be
I can't even see me.
good for it, so we just don't use them. They just tell you to
can't
give it a
even
little swirl.
see it.
Yeah, you can't. That's it. It's just the bubbles moving. This is how you know oil and water don't mix. Look at the little green bubbles. They never break. They never pop. It's like hold your fist out like this. Okay? So what happens is the air is released, which is your fist. All right? And when the water rises, the oil traps around it like this, and then when it gets heavy, it falls back down. The oil traps around it, but it can't go through it, so it lifts it up, and then it goes back down. But it never mixes. That air bubble is trapped.
All of them are at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
See how they're rising and falling?
like a whole bunch of bubbles.